Hello, I'm Dr. Chander. I'm board certified cardiologist and host of a weekly radio show. Have you ever been told that you have a heart murmur? Once you get that diagnosis, several things come to mind. What does it mean for me? How is it going to affect my life? Is it going to kill me? One thing you have to understand about heart murmur is that this itself is not a specific disease. It is a sound that your doctor hears when he or she puts a stethoscope on your chest. Beyond that, it could be something very innocent to something life-threatening. The heart murmurs can be caused by shrinkage of the valves, leakage of the valves, hole in the heart, or sometimes simply because of the blood flowing through your valves. These are called innocent or flow murmurs. A very simple test in most of the cases called echocardiogram can answer the question what is causing your heart murmur and what is the significance of that heart murmur. Several points to keep in mind. Number one, heart murmur is simply the sound that your doctor heard when he or she examined you. Beyond that, whether it is something very simple or benign or life-threatening can be decided by a very simple test called echocardiogram or any other test that your doctor may decide. I'm Dr. Chander. For your comments, you can call me at 1-888-7-CHANDER, 1-888-724-2633. Stay tuned for more of my videos.